There's a liner into center field. That'll score Marisnick to make it 4-0. RBI single. Marwin Gonzalez, his 31st run batted in.
Again, the ability to switch hit for Marwin Gonzalez makes him a huge asset. Swings the bat well from the right side. Does a really good job of staying back on that off-speed pitch and just rifling it back up the middle, not trying to do too much and get that RBI.
4 singles and a walk in the inning, and the Astros have played at 3 runs.